Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get right to it.
Hey, hi all. We're back on Project Going for Broke. And we hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to do something simple. The wipers. This should be fun, I hope. Now you just lift the wiper up. I've done these literally on my 07 Hummer H3 dozens of times. And there's usually, sorry, I smacked you guys. There's usually, this is why I bring a little tiny screwdriver along each time. Where did it go? There it is. There's a little tiny push tab right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It's a little tiny black push tab. You push up, slide off. Do not let this hit your freaking window. You'll crack it for sure. There. Push it down. Hopefully you can see this. There you go. This pulls right off. And then I will usually take like a glove or something and put it under there to protect the window. I would highly recommend that. So these were your Amazon special. Nothing major, nothing exciting. Just real basic. Remove gray plastic strip after installation. I read reviews where people were saying, hey, my wiper don't work. And then somebody responded, hey, did you take off the plastic stripping? Nope. They never removed the plastic safety strips. Oh, this one's dead. See? Garbage. Okay, I'm glad I bought new ones. Glad I bought the new ones. Locks right out. Look at that. I just slip it, pull it in. How do I know which way to go? The little plastic tab. I'll show you on this one. If you want to play a mean trick on somebody, put these on their wiper blades, and then they'll wonder why the heck their wiper blades don't work. So, it's a nice little trick to play. Alright, we got ones for the front. Same routine. Pay attention to size, though, because size does matter here. So, this was the previous owner had installed these. And, you know, they're okay. I don't know what brand they are. I've not witnessed these style before. Here's a little push thing, see it? Hopefully you can see that. It's right there. You just push it and then pull the wiper back and off. And then the best way is to gauge what they had on here. Not that the people who owned it probably, and yes, I have already wiped these and silicone treated them with silicone spray. It didn't make a difference. They still had a problem. Okay, that's the 16. Okay, now these are not the worst blades ever. They smear and streak, but hey, in a pinch, they might work. These are probably the same thing I bought off Amazon or very similar. I don't see a brand name. Oh, Rain-X. Now, look at that. Okay, yeah, that's nice. So you pull the little snap back on these. These are the 3 for $21, $22 on Amazon. The Rain-X were different. No, they weren't. They too had a snap. So what do you want to bet? The same company who is selling... what do you want to bet? The same company who's selling these for the $21, $22 for the 3-pack is Rain-X. Same exact product. That's... oh no, I'm sorry. These aren't Rain-X. These are Rain-X. Rain-X did not have those. We'll go back and look. So, trying to stay upbeat today. Kind of feeling a little bit boo-hoo. Yeah, see, Rain-X is just missing the little plastic snap piece that one had. It should be right there, but it's missing, so... that's okay. No biggie. It's been gloomy here for the last half a week, 2/3 of a week. Very dark, gloomy gray out. Yeah, it has. It's been very gloomy. It starts to mess with the mind and the emotions. All my life I've lived in the Midwest. It is beautiful during the spring, summer, fall. The winter takes their toll. It really does. The winter takes its toll. So if you have an imbalance, like winter type, it is brutal on your system. Comment down below. Okay, again, I just popped the tab up. Seems pretty logical. I just turn that to the side. You'll notice, here's the tab. Push the tab in, turn it down a little, slide it off, pull it up. Pretty straightforward. Take the green piece, slide it off, line it up. The hoop will go in that way. Yep, so as I said, pop the top, hoop goes in that way, slide this past. Huh. Yeah, the hoop is all the way out. Ah, there we go. That's how you do it. You push your thumb down on the little plastic piece. And then you just slide this in. There you go. Just walk it over it, slide it forward, and lock. And that way it can't come off. We'll see how those work. The old Rain-X were quite beat up. But hey, you know, when I'm not complaining, not grumbling at all, I have been so richly blessed in this life. When I purchased this truck, the individuals I purchased it from, nice enough folks, of course sold it as is. I was able to talk them down quite a bit for it. Comment down below what you think this truck actually ran me. When they sold it with the, oh, everything's working. No, that couldn't be further from the truth. Not everything is working. In fact, very few things were working, as you can see. Yeah, but that's okay. It gives content for the channel. So we'll just keep